Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets numbers. First we use the color of green and now we draw capital letter alphabets A. The next one is B. Kids, now we draw the letter of C. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. We again use green color and now we draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. The next one is H. And now we draw I. Now we use the color of red and draw J. J for jackfruit. Now we use the color of red. J for jackfruit. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw N for nose, N for nest. And the next one is O. Now we draw P. P for parrot. The next one is Q. Kids, now we draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. And now we draw T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. And now we draw W. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Now we draw Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Now we draw numbers. 1, 2, 3, and now we draw 4. The next one is 5. Now we draw 6. The next one is 7. And now we draw 8. The next one is 9. Now we draw 10. T-E-N, 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.